what I do is I'll select the object first and I'll insert any color, fill it with any of the colors. Suppose if I fill it with orange. Okay, now suppose if I want to remove the filled color. Okay, this is the orange color. I want to remove this filled color. What I do is, here you see the cross box here. This is for no fill. If you click here, the filled color in this object, it gets deleted. Now I'll fill it with some color first and see and learn about outline, how to remove the outlines. Okay, or remove or fill the outline with some other color. What I do is, here in the same, I go to this color options here, and here suppose if I want to fill the outline with this, with something like suppose if you want to fill it with blue color, I go to this blue color and click the right mouse button. Okay, I click the right mouse button and it's filled with blue color. I go to this any of the color, and if suppose if I want to change the outline color, I'll go to any of the color here and click my right mouse button. It changes the color. If I want to remove the outline, what I do is I go to this cross box and click right mouse button, and the outline is removed from this particular object. Now what I'll do is I'll draw an outline. Go to this particular black color and click right button and draw an outline, and I'll remove the filled color from this. Okay, this is a square rectangle tool. In the same rectangle tool, there is another tool called 3-point rectangle. Let's see what this tool does. Here I have selected that tool and I drag my mouse. See, first it draws a line, and again you leave your mouse button wherever you want to. You drag it till wherever you want to, and leave your mouse left button and then drag again. See, it creates a box. You can drag it till wherever you want to and click again. It creates a box. Okay, and this box you can fill it with any other color. Let's understand again. I'll go to this 3-point rectangle tool, click mouse and drag, click mouse and drag, then leave your mouse and again drag till wherever you want to, and if you are happy or satisfied with this particular size of the object, then again click your mouse left button. It draws a box. The same thing can be done. Suppose if I draw a line by this 45 degree by this way, and again drag my mouse and then again press, it draws a box rotated to this size, this rotation 48.2. This is the rotation. Okay, now suppose I'll delete all the object first. Suppose if I want to draw a perfect square through this tool, so what I've done is I'll first press Ctrl on my keyboard, and then through mouse, pressing your left mouse button, I drag and leave the mouse left button, so it is drawn a perfect square. As I press Ctrl, it draws a perfect square. Let's see again. I go to this tool, 3-point rectangle tool, and press Ctrl and drag. See, this has created a straight line. Okay, I leave my mouse button as well as the control button and drag again. So this has created a box. If you drag on top, it creates. If I press Ctrl, it draws a perfect square. If I leave Ctrl, you can draw it anywhere you want to. Drag it anywhere you want to. If I press my Ctrl button on keyboard, it draws a perfect square. If I leave it, the angle can be, object shape can be changed to anywhere you want to. If I press Ctrl and then again press your mouse button, it draws a perfect square. So what the control button does is, if I press Ctrl, it draws a straight line first. If I leave the control button, see, it doesn't draw a straight line. You can move your mouse anywhere you want to. If you press Ctrl, it draws a straight line first, and then I leave my mouse button, and then as soon as I leave my mouse button, pressing my control button on keyboard, it draws a square. It draws a square. Again I press my mouse button, creates a box. This is the 3-point rectangle tool. And the same thing here, you can rotate, you can change the box size, you can lock or unlock the object ratio, rotate the object, mirror vertical, horizontal, change the all the corner shape of this particular object. Here the size you can mention for corner, and the outline width you can change here, the outline width, and you can fill this object with any the color you want to. Now let's see one more thing in this. Suppose if I draw an object by selecting this particular tool, this rectangle tool, and I want to change the shape from any by just by clicking on the node here. Okay, if you want to change the shape, okay, see now what it is doing is, this is the rectangle tool, rectangle object. Now if I try to select this particular node, what it does is it selects the entire box, and wherever you drag your mouse, it moves accordingly. Now suppose if I plan to change the shape of this particular corner, so first what I need to do is I need to change the box to curves. So to do that, what I will do is I will go to this particular tool. This tool we have learned in the past. I will go to the shape tool first. This is the shape tool, or shortcut for it is F10. Okay, shape tool, and suppose if I want to draw and change the box corners to rounded corners, I can simply drag my mouse here, so it changes to rounded corners. Okay, this has changed to rounded corners. You can see this box has changed to rounded corner. So either you can change the box corners from here, or you can go to the shape tool and change it from here too. Okay, that is how you can change.